What's up, Keith? Yeah, I went out last night. I mean, she was great. You know, it was great, the whole situation. I mean, yeah, she's probably top 5. Oh, come on, I've been with at least 10 girls, Keith. Come on, give me that. Come on, Keith. Yeah, 10. What do you mean? Okay, yeah, but she's easily top 5. What did we do? You know, we went bowling, played a little ping pong, got some drinks. You know, it was great. It was just so much fun. I really enjoyed it. And I want to do it again. See how it goes. Oh, jeez! What the heck, man? Can't you see I'm walking here?
Sorry, man. I'm just trying to get to my friend's house.
Oh, okay, that's all right. Why are you in such a hurry, anyways?
I'm surprised I'm on my friend's house, actually.
Oh, I honestly, I'd be in a hurry too, dude. So don't sweat it, all right? Well, how far away is she, anyways?
She's just on the other side of the court.
Okay. Would you like a piece of advice?
No, thanks.
I'm gonna give you one piece of advice, all right? All right?
All right.
My one piece of advice to you is just be yourself. I think girls like that. I'm not sure. Just be yourself.
That's it?
That's it. Unless you want more.
No, thanks.
You sure? I mean, I wouldn't take advice from me either, but I mean, I can give you some more tips. I'm pretty good.
I'm good.
Okay. This is quite the surprise. I hope your surprise for your girl goes well.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thanks. Thanks for the advice. Have a good rest of the day.
Thanks for hitting me with your bike.